here is the nearby attractions and landmark also. Its review rating is 9.2, which is the superb. A set of FAQs is now displayed on your screen, which will address many of your basic questions about this hotel. You can see on the screen details like room size, Wi-Fi, room key, amenities, facilities, and images, etc. All guests will be required to present photo ID at check-in. The hotel accepts major credit cards and reserve the right to temporarily hold an amount prior to arrival. If you are planning to book it, you can do so through the link provided in the description. If you are facing any kind of problem in booking a room in this hotel, then you can contact us by the link we will help you. If you have already visited this hotel, please share your experience in the comment box. If you are new to this channel, then subscribe our channel. Then you will subscribe our channel and press the bell icon so that you will not miss any video of our upcoming hotel. Thanks for watching the video till the end. So friends, we meet again in a new video with a new property. Be safe, be happy.